Today we're going to draw a bear. For this you'll need paper and a marker. We're going to draw just the bear's head today, so we're going to start with the big circle in the middle of your page. If you're not sure how to draw a circle, you can start with the letter C. Then I like to flip my paper all the way around and draw another C. There we go. Now we're going to add some ears to our bear. We're going to go to the top of the circle and over just a little bit. This is going to be 2 upside down U's, or you can think of it as backwards C's. So start on one side and you're going to make one little hump. Bloop. We're going to do the same over here on the other side. Bloop. We're going to do another upside down U, but in the middle of the big circle. This is going to be his snout. We're going to start at the bottom of the circle and scoot over just a little bit. This upside down U is going to be about halfway through his head. Next, we're going to add the eyes. I'm going to put one under the ear, nice and big, and another one on the other side. Next, he needs a nose. We're going to draw an upside down triangle for his nose. Remember, a triangle has 3 sides, so let's count this together. 1, 2, 3. And I like to color mine in. At the bottom of that triangle, we're going to draw a line straight down, but oops, don't touch the bottom of that circle. Next, we're going to add the smiley face. This one's going to be like the letter U, and you're going to connect it to that line. There we go. There's our bear. I hope you had fun. Bye.